Join me as I dive into the stock market basics and see if I can make sense of it all in just one day. The stock market is a crucial part of personal finance and the economy, allowing people to invest in companies and potentially grow their wealth over time. It's a platform where buyers and sellers meet to exchange shares of stock, and it's an essential way for businesses to raise capital. Understanding the stock market can seem daunting, but it's actually quite fascinating once you get the hang of it. One common misconception about the stock market is that it's only for the wealthy. Many people think that investing in stocks requires a lot of money, but that's not necessarily true. You can start investing with a small amount of money, and there are many affordable options available. Another misconception is that the stock market is too risky for beginners. While it's true that there are risks involved, there are also ways to mitigate those risks and make informed investment decisions. Some people also think that investing in the stock market is like gambling, but that's not accurate. Investing in the stock market involves research, analysis, and a solid understanding of the market. So, let's talk about some key concepts. Stocks, also known as equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt securities issued by companies or governments to raise capital. Indices, like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, track the performance of a group of stocks. Diversification is also crucial, as it helps spread risk and potentially increase returns. By investing in a mix of different asset classes and industries, you can create a more balanced portfolio. I'd like to share a story about a friend who started investing in the stock market a few years ago. She began with a small amount of money and gradually increased her investment over time. She did her research, diversified her portfolio, and held on to her investments through market fluctuations. Today, she's enjoying a significant return on her investment and is confident in her ability to make informed investment decisions. This story illustrates the potential benefits of understanding the stock market and making informed investment choices. In conclusion, understanding the stock market is essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth over time. By educating yourself on key concepts, dispelling common misconceptions, and making informed investment decisions, you can unlock the potential benefits of the stock market. So, take the first step today and start learning. If you have any thoughts or questions about the stock market, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on investing strategies, and thanks for watching.